Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we'll be discussing the subclavian artery. It rises from the brachiocephalic trunk, goes superior to the first rib, and becomes the axillary artery. It passes between the anterior scalene and the middle scalene. The first branch right here is called the vertebral artery that passes through the transverse foramina of the cervical vertebrae. The second branch goes downwards, called the internal thoracic, gives rise to the pericardiophrenac branch, and splits into the superior epigastric and the musculophrenic. It is also a source of the anterior intercostal arteries, 1 to 9. Next, we have the branch proximally of the subclavian. We have the branch called thyrocervical that gives rise to the inferior thyroid and the ascending cervical. It is also a source of two arteries called the transverse cervical and the suprascapular. The dorsal scapular arises from the transverse cervical and the subclavian. Posterior to the anterior scalene, from the subclavian, arises the costocervical trunk. That splits into the branches, here first, superiorly the deep cervical and the supreme intercostal. The supreme intercostal is a source of the posterior intercostal arteries. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please mention them in the comments below.